Good morning, Miss Abby.
Good morning, Mr. John.
How are you today?
Very well, thank you.
How was your weekend?
Very well, thank you. What about yours?
My weekend went very well. I went to the beach.
I see. It was a pleasure talking to you. See you next time.
Sure, have a great day.
Thank you, and you too.
John asked the question, how was your weekend? So they are meeting in the morning. So weekend is basically a period from Friday evening till Sunday evening. Some people say it is till Monday morning. So weekend is that period. And this time is in the Western world is a time for leisure. That is 5 days they work hard and then 2 days they take rest, do their other work. So there are other ways of saying how was your weekend. That is, if you're asking it after the weekend, that is Monday morning. So you can ask, what did you do over the weekend? That is Saturday, Sunday, what did you do? Did you have a good weekend? Was it good? Saturday, Sunday, how was it? How did you spend your weekend? So you need to know more information. How did you spend your weekend? How are you doing today, this morning or today morning? How are you feeling this morning? So this last two lines can be used any day, devoid of any day. Means it has not to be always morning, Monday morning.